Hey guys, this is Ali with Lomx Media, and I will be explaining to you in this short video on how to get 4 to 6 projects every month. In this example, I will be talking about side entrance, but if you're doing bathroom or basement renovations, it's just going to be the same strategy. So the way we do it is basically we have to get the leads, and then I will show you how to convert these leads into sales because if there's no leads, there's no sale. That's why if you're just still relying on, let's say, referrals, or if you're still doing some Facebook Marketplace, that's why you won't be able to grow your business. But I will show you this method on how we helped other contractors as well. So the way we do it is basically we run ads online, and the daily budget for the ad is $30, and that's going to go to Meta business account. So it's going to go directly to that $30 a day. And we also have to target your area. In this example, we have like Calgary, 25 mile. Let's say if you're in Edmonton, same thing. We just target the area that you want to work in. Vancouver, same thing if you're in Toronto or any of the states. So once we target the area, then we just target the age and also the people that are looking for, let's say, this type of services, right? So once we do the targeting, then we go to the next step, which is having the high quality video. And in this video, you have to have like three main things, which is offer, urgency, and also call to action. And I can show you the video here.
If you need basement entrance, this fantastic offer is exactly what you're looking for. 2000 off. Correct. Get your basement entrance done with 2000 off this month only. We're fully licensed and insured, ensuring you receive top quality service. Don't miss out. This is your last chance. Click the Learn More button to secure your $2,000 discount today. If you need
So once the customer click on the ad, we basically take them to a landing page that looks like that. And as you can see, like there's no a lot of distractions, not like the website has like home, services, about us. So you just have to make it simple and easy for your customers from the beginning. And also it's only talking about like just the main service, which is when we advertise for side entrance, we only show them like side entrance pictures and testimonials and stuff. So once they click on one of the button, they fill up their name, email, and phone number. Once they submit the form, basically we're gonna give you the app. You can download it on your phone. So once they submit the form, the customer will get a message, uh, and then after that, he will just call you. As you can see, this customer, he got the message and he called the contractor and he booked the appointment with him. And also you will get like, for example, in the chat, you will get like pictures from the customers. Sometimes they send their pictures and also their address. They send it here. I can also show you um, the CRM system. Basically, this is the main two things that you're gonna do in this app, which is to organize everything. Because when you're gonna get a lot of volume, you need an advanced CRM that actually can organize if you booked with the customer and those who you send the quote to, and then if you sign up the customer, you just put them on this section, and then if you close the customer, you just put them on the close section. So you have to organize everything so it doesn't the end of the day it doesn't look like confusing, right? And yeah, so basically, if if you're looking to work with me and if you want to explore the system, then just go to lomxmedia.com and schedule a call with me, and I will be able to get you started right away. And I guarantee minimum you will get 30 to 40 opportunity every month. And from this, let's say 40 opportunities, you should at least close 4 to 5 customers. So that's almost like 40 to 50K a month.